This is the Nad's Nose Wax Kit for men and women, which is described as painless when removing your nose hair with this kit. We're going to test that out. We're going to see what's in the box first, then we'll go through step by step, see how I got on my attempt and see what the results are. It says it will leave you hair free for up to 6 weeks. As it was my first time, I was taking my time, reading instructions and following it step by step. I think in the second time me doing it, I now know what the processes are. I'll be able to do this a lot quicker. So first of all, opening up the box, we have 8 of these SafeTip applicators. As you use 2 of the applicators each time, you have a total of 4 uses. And you also have 4 wooden spatulas to mix the wax. Now we're looking at the 4 post-wax calming oil wipes and the 1x 45G 1.6 ounce nose wax. And here's some information on the side of the tub. Now I'm pulling out the instructions and the facial hair protectors and a thank you card from the company. These facial hair protectors are to stick on your moustache to stop any wax getting on so you don't remove any of your own moustache. So this is everything that comes in the box. Now we're going to have a quick look at the instructions and then jump straight into it following step by step. So make sure you have a read of the instructions yourself so that you're happy with what you're doing. First I'm going to remove the film off of the wax. And as the wax is solid at this point, we need to put it in the microwave, placing it inside off center so it spins round the microwave on the edge all the way around rather than just spinning in the center. And for the full tub we want to give this 2 minutes. Then leave it in the microwave for a minute just to cool down. Then hold the 2 handles on the sides when taking it out. The tub may be too hot to touch at this point. At first the wax was really runny, but letting it sit for a couple of minutes, let the wax cool down and be more of a consistency of honey. And it was also cool enough for me to hold the tub. Here's a quick look at what we're dealing with. All the nose hairs I'm trying to remove. It was a bit difficult trying to show you all the hairs, but I've never done this before and I felt like this needed doing. Now I'm going to add on one of the facial hair protectors, picking one out of the 4 selection. Seems to cover a wide area and stick on quite well. Now with one final mix of the wooden spatula, I think I'm happy that the wax has cooled down enough. First of all, putting this up my nose, I'm going to place a small bit on my wrist just to test it out, because you don't want this burning up your nose, so be careful and make sure to test the wax first. Now I'm going to dip the SafeTip end of the applicator into the wax, and it says do not dip deeper than the base of the collar into the wax. Pull down on your upper lip and insert it into your nose. I think I added a bit too much wax on this one, so the next time I add a little bit less. It felt warm when going into my nose, but it didn't feel too hot. I plan to pull these both at the same time, so I'm putting both of them up my nose at once. It says to wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and a maximum of 2 minutes. So I set a timer for 1 minute as a minimum, and I gave it another 10 seconds after that. When I first placed it up my nose, I had to hold the sticks in position, but as it cooled down I could let go and they were firmly in place. Now I'm going to pull both applicators at the same time. It was a strange sensation. It didn't hurt, it didn't make my eyes water, but I felt like a cold sensation up my nostrils. There was a slight sting and then I was wondering, is my nose bleeding? But it wasn't, it just left it slightly red. Now here's the evidence of all the nose hair that I pulled out. I know it's not pretty, but I've got to show you what it's done. And I think on my next attempt in 6 weeks I won't use as much wax. Now I'm going to use one of post-wax calming oil wipes. This gives you the chance to clean your nose. It says do not use inside your nostrils, and it does leave the nostrils a little oily. Maybe the calming oil helps, but I couldn't notice. When looking after, I saw there was a few hairs that it missed, so I didn't get all of them, but maybe I'll get them on the next go. Now the flat spatula end of the applicator is for the nose surface smoothing. Leave the wax on for approximately 30 seconds with a thick even layer. Then says to hold your cheek taut and remove the wax in one quick motion. And that's it. And as you can see after that, the wax has gone hard again. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Subscribe and like. Welcome to the channel. And I'll see you on the next one.